Good morning, it's Paul. How are you? It's going to be a short video today, but it's going to be an important one if you're into the entertainment systems and having a nice stereo in your RV. So I'll show you what we have now. We have the Tiffin Wayfarer, and it came with the Kenwood 994S, I believe it is. It has Garmin GPS. It's a 7-inch screen. But when you look back, just doesn't deliver, you know, my expectation. Being the Pilot, it really lacks some of the features and size that I'm looking for. So I'm going to be installing an Alpine, but an 11-inch screen, a floating panel. Does not have Garmin. We'll be going over some of the features. This one does have navigation. My goal is to turn around and sell this one on Marketplace, and I'll end up putting a Garmin up here. I like to have the portable Garmin. This one doesn't account for the RV size, things like that. Not that I'm aware of. I have not seen that ability in here with the RV parks, all that. I'm going to be heading over to the stereo shop. It's about an hour and a half away, so we'll see you there. If you can see the flag in the distance, this is where we bought our first RV. Now it's bought out by Camping World. It was called Flag RV. Was it $8.99? Yeah. Well, is there an actual CD? I don't know, but there is a SD card.
Maybe I should make sure there's no CD in it before I... Yep.
That's a big girl right there, that thing.
Yep, there's that switcher in there.
Nice. Oh yeah.
That's exactly
That's for the mirrors?
That's for the mirrors, yeah.
Oh, fantastic.
Fantastic! I love it.
Alright. So this is it all pulled apart. Scott's gonna be getting the new unit in here. He said he already opened it up and it was huge, so I'm sure it's going to make a really big impact. Exciting. Here we go. Scott's got the old head unit. It's in a sleeve. He's going to be taking it out, putting all the connections together.
You guys don't make that anymore? Oh. I don't know if you had access to a connector.
So one thing Scott's trying to figure out right now is you have this module right here, and this module allows the side cameras on the mirrors to be able to show up on the video screen when you turn on the blinker, and it's tied into the rear camera as well. So there's 3 cameras that are tied in, but that module specifically allows it to not go on and off. You know, you have a constant, when you turn on the blinker, you don't have the screen going on and off. You have a consistent image of the blinkers on your screen, and it gets rid of that intermittent signal. Tech support. So we're almost getting closer now. Holy smokes.
Right? Yes. Now, get my...
Alright, so Scott put everything back together. And one thing I did have him add was this cigarette lighter outlet up at the top here. So when I put on my GPS, I don't have to run a cord down. I can just go right there, plug in.
So you can't go doing anything until that's all in.
Before you can adjust it, that set screw needs to be in?
You can't turn it on. It won't turn on until this cover goes in. There's a little switch that it pushes down on.
Yeah.
And it's because they don't want this to not be in tight because of the connections.
Got
The squeegee thing.
Blinkers. Big screen. That's what I'm talking about. This thing is perfect. Scott did a fantastic job. This is the Alpine F411. I got the 411 instead of the 511 because the 411 was like $600 cheaper. I think we're good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, I'll see you on the road.